Meet the boomslang. It's got tiny fangs compared to snakes like the gaboon viper or the green mamba, placed right at the back of their mouths. To bite, they sometimes open almost 180 degrees and chew in their venom. Boomslangs don't have huge venom glands, but this venom is like nothing else on Earth. Moving through the treetops requires a sleek profile. So they go with quality rather than quantity. Boomslang venom is drop for drop the deadliest in Africa. And it ranks as the most venomous rear-fanged snake in the world.